This video we're just going to have a look at expanding some binomial products. So in the last video we had a look at expanding binomial products by saying, alright, every element in the first set of brackets is getting multiplied by every one in the second. So let's just do that. Let's go x times x and x times 4, 5 and x, 5 and 4. So x and x gives us x squared, 5 and 4 gives us 4x, sorry. 5 and x gives us a 5x, and then 5 and 4 gives us 20. So expand it out, and then we can simplify or collect the like terms. So x squared has no other like term, 4x and 5x gives us 9x, and then plus 20 at the end. So that's the method that we had a look at in the last video. I'm just going to show you another way of working this out. So I'll just write it out. X plus 5 and x plus 4. Essentially what we're saying is every element in the first, so the x, is getting multiplied by every element in the second. So instead of a binomial product, I'm going to split it up into two parts. I'm going to say x is going to get multiplied by x plus 4, and then the 5 is going to get multiplied by x plus 4. Okay, so I'm splitting it up into two parts here. The 5 times x plus 4. Okay, now what goes in between these two is basically whatever this sign is, so it's going to be plus. And then pretty much what we've got is a expansion of the binomial products, which we can then use the distributive law for each term. So x and x, and then x and 4. Alright, so x times x gives me x squared, x times 4 gives me 4x. And then I can say the 5 and x and 5 and 4 gives me 5x plus 20, and we've got this addition between them. So we can now say, alright, we've got x squared as our first term, 4x and 5x gives us 9x, and then we've got plus 20 at the end. So it's the same answer, and essentially this step is pretty much the same as this one. It's just a different way of thinking about it. So instead of having to draw this each time, just split it up into two smaller parts, which you can then use the distributive law to solve.